Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in NX software. You can see the base dimension 144, 89 and thickness is 13 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Here select the millimeter template and model. Here you can change the name and you can change the location also. I will save my desktop. Select extrude. Base, you can see the base is on the bottom plane. Select the plane. Select here center rectangle. Give the dimension 89. Press enter. 144. Press enter. So finish sketch. Extrude up to 13 mm is okay. Next you can see back side there is a one flange, that height is 63 mm and R 44.5 mm. For that select the back surface. Create one circle first. That diameter is 89 mm. Give the dimension 63 mm and we can give the vertical alignment here. Select the midpoint of the circle and select the center point. Select the line again. This side also same. So trim this line and we can delete this dimension. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Reverse the direction. Thickness is 13 mm same. Here select unite. Okay. So second flange is also done. Next you can see there are a circular part, that is outer dia 50, inner dia 40 mm, length is 38. For that select extrude. Select this surface, circle, create two circles, dia 50 and one more circle is dia 40. Just place the center point. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 38 mm. Okay. Next you can see there is a 13 mm rib on the center of the object. For that go to more first. Select here rib. Select the plane here, mid plane. Select line. Create line like this. Finish sketch. The thickness is 13 mm. Symmetric we want. Click OK. So that's the basic tutorial, friends. I hope you enjoy this session, and also requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Now we can assign the material here. Which material you want? Go to menu. Here select tools. Select materials. assign materials. So as per your requirement you can assign the material here. I will go with aluminum materials 6061. This is the standard material. Select entire body. Okay, now material is assigned. We can assign some color also. Edit, select here object display, select the entire body. Okay, select color. So you can assign the color as per your requirements. So that's the today's session, friends. If you want you can change the color. Go to edit, object display, select entire body, select the color. So you can assign some light color here. So that's the today's session, friends. Thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session.